What's up, everybody? Main boat guy back again. Back with my 2019 Polaris Switchback Assault 850. Today we've got iGrip studs, screw-in studs. These are the ST25s, so it's got a 25 millimeter thread. And you can see the hexagon head at the top, so you can screw it in. I did put one screw in right there. Height wise, it comes with a generic, if I can find them, set of instructions, and it shows, not trying to show the trash in my garage, not that it's trash, just crap everywhere. Shows a different tool, and it shows 5 millimeters sticking out. So basically what they're saying is 5 millimeter of that stud should be sticking out. I'm guessing right there. This is the 1.6 Cobra, so it's already pre-drilled. Basically the same as the ice Cobra, just doesn't have the studs in it, which I would have loved to have the studs, but I don't want to swap tracks. And looking at it, we've got 3 on this land or lug, and then 2 on the next one, so it's 3 2 3 2 3 2. Yeah, so we're gonna throw these bad boys in and see what they do. I'm not huge into studs. I like them for the ice, but I'm not an ice racer. I'm not a fast trail guy, not with a 144. I try to be, but I'm not. So just something so I don't look like an idiot in the parking lot trying to move and at the gas station, stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna get to work on this. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody. So basically I just got the ass end supported. Track is decently tight. They did adjust it decent. It's not too loose, not too tight. It's going to loosen up first ride anyway, so I'll be readjusting it. So we'll do a video on that another time. And this tool came with that little collar. I'm guessing to adjust it to a certain point, but to me it's not working. When I put the collar all the way down to the right point, the collar sits cockeyed, crooked, wants to fall off. So I'm by no means an expert in the iGrip, but I just know it's going to go straight down and have 5 millimeters protruding. Yep. And you can easily sink it too deep. Very easily. So be careful. Probably want to put your drill on slow mode, low speed. And I'm guessing once you get a few of them in there, you're going to get used to how deep that shank is going to stick into the lugs when you're done. So I'm hoping it gets faster each time. It's a lot faster than regular studs, I can guarantee you that. And I already know they won't work like true studs, obviously, because as this lug folds over, the whole stud's going to fold right over it anyways. So if you tried to fly across a lake, it probably wouldn't be that great. At least not traction wise. That's strange. We're going 2 and then right back into 2 again. Surely a strange stud pattern they've got on these tracks, but I think these will do what I need them to do. And we'll see if they pull out. That's why I bought a 250 pack. I think I'm only going to use 170 or something like that. If my math was right, but it probably wasn't. I probably got way too many. But I'm okay with that because if they start ripping out, I'll have extras. And if your track isn't pre-drilled in the lugs, you can always drill a hole. I think it says use an 1/8 inch drill bit and drill a hole out to put these in. So I did read that these already have the reinforcement in this part, so that does make these stronger in holding the lug in, the stud in. So chances are, if you don't have it reinforced, it may not stay in as long. But they'll certainly do something. And I'll try and come back and do a full review. Maybe before I post the video, I'll do the review and compare them. Because I do have friends that'll be riding fully studded, and then others that have the Ice Cobra. So I'll let you know if it passes the test. Worst case scenario, I take all these out and put real studs in. I think my last 144, I had 108 studs. And that worked out perfect. You know, it wasn't too many studs, and it wasn't not enough. All right, we got her all studded up, and it looks good. They seem like they'll work good. At least on this track, it's got the reinforcements here, so they are pretty sturdy in there. The only thing I'm worried about is if I sunk them deep enough. I left a little more than 5 millimeters. I got probably 7 millimeters sticking out, so we shall see. Hoping maybe a little more bite out of it, but I might lose a couple studs in the process. So with that, I'm really going to have to review them as soon as we get enough snow to have good trail conditions, and maybe go try them on the ice a little bit and cross a parking lot or two, and I'll let you know what they do. I'm not paid or sponsored by iGrip at all in any way, shape, or form. I bought these through Kimpex out of Canada, so not at all associated with them. I'm sure they wouldn't like the way I installed them, but I'm sure they'd have a better way. But this is just showing you how I'm doing it, and I'll let you know what I think of them, give them my honest review, and if I'd buy more, if I'd do it again, or if I'd use the other style. But all right, until next time, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see my other review, and then it'll pop up and tell you my review on the iGrip, and then all the other accessories I'm going to put into it, the sled itself, I'll do reviews on all of it, and cool. Thanks again.